Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn a integration. So this is basically a Mailchimp. What is Mailchimp? Mailchimp is a email marketing software. So with the help of Mailchimp, if you want to send a mails in a bulk, or if you have a kind of some subscriptions also, so you need a data store in somewhere where you can later reuse for your marketing purpose. So Mailchimp, and there are lots of other tools. So in these tools, why I have picked the, because mostly people use Mailchimp. Mailchimp offers you 1,000 mail free of cost for first 1,000 subscriber. They don't charge you, or they don't have a limitation of use of you can use 1,000 subscriber one day, in 1 month. It totally depends on you. Even you can send 200 mails a daily. So that's great enough for you. For starting point of view, you have just started website design marketing and you want to send daily 200 mails, enough for you. So if suppose you have a 5% conversion rate, so daily you can, out of 200 you can convert at 10 customers. So use Mailchimp free of cost. How to do it and all these thing I am going to share with you. So just watch full video, and if you have any question you can ask, and just note down the all steps. So in this video we are going to again how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. First of all, I need a Mailchimp plugin. So go to plugins and add Mailchimp. So Mailchimp have their own like they have a mail on official. Okay, you don't need to use third party. So just click Mailchimp for WooCommerce, because we have installed a WooCommerce. They, you can see here by Mailchimp, you can see they are using people name. So don't like misguide, okay, because they can steal your data. You don't know which company. So we want to work with officials. So click active. So we have a Mailchimp. So if you have an account you can connect with. If you don't have, you can create here. So you don't need to go the website, you can do here also. Just suppose I want to create a campaign. So let's demo at the rate gmail.com WordPress mastery course. Okay, and I'm creating next, and address blah blah blah. Okay, so here you can see we have learned how to create a Mailchimp account, okay, through our WordPress panel. We don't need to open Mailchimp website and nothing, we don't need to. So they are creating account on our behalf. We just entered our detail. Here I am using wrong my details. I don't want to share because I have made my all Mailchimp. So I'll teach you how you can see your Mailchimp account and how you can integrate with them. So I think so due to a fake mail ID it takes time otherwise. So I'm going to go back. Okay, just suppose you have successfully registered. Now you can connect with your account. So new window will open. So now new window has been opened. You can see they are asking you a username and password. I have a username. I'm going to log in. Oops, due to some technical issue they are asking me. So Mailchimp gives you a like option. Yeah, so now we are going to connect with our account. So you need to just connect your account. Yeah, So now we are going to connect our Mailchimp account. So you need to just click connect your Mailchimp account. So you have to log in first before that. So it's asking me. Okay, now you can say allow. That's it. Okay, so WooCommerce done on our behalf. So WordPress done. So Mailchimp now we have configured with Mailchimp. Now asking the account setup, everything, and you just add WordPress mastery. You can use that email ID. Next step. And next step. Okay, so everything you can see that through mail configure everything. Okay, it's asking me synchronization. So the audience name WordPress mastery, and synchronize. Once done, you don't need to do anything, just done. Now we need to create through API. So go to audience, go to integration, and WordPress, your side, get a code. Okay, now I'm going to add this. So you need to just copy this, go to theme editor. We have learned all these things. So you just need to paste your website HTML, pasting your agree website HTML. I need to add website integration. Okay, so how I need to go in my footer. So you can do same in index dot, anywhere you can put. So where is my footer? I have done save. Check connection, done or not. You have to do 2 or 3 times because sometime it happens. Oh, I think I entered a wrong website URL. Okay, my domain is already they are saying already connected. So what I need to do, I have to do manual. Just go to this custom website and let's see, copy, We have entered correct. Don't know why it's not working. Where is MailChimp? Okay, let me wait some time because due to some technicality issue. So hope you understand how to integrate with your WordPress. I think we have already like manual we did, that's why taking time. Okay, so due to some their issue not able to, so this is a way you can do it. Hope you like this video and you will try. In case any issue, so please message me.